So in 6.1 we were looking at exponential form, and so all those numbers to an exponent. We just learned about radical form, but now we're going to actually talking about switching between the two. And so the main thing that we're going to have to remember here is that a to the power of m over n is equal to the nth root of a to the n power. So it may be a little bit confusing just looking at it, but how I like to remember is that the higher number in the fraction, it kind of looks like the exponent of a. It's going to remain the exponent of a. So you kind of think of that like that's a to the n power, so that's going to be the exponent. And then that n kind of gets booted out and is going to be off to the side. So when switching, this top number is going to be the exponent. The bottom number is going to be the index. Another way that you may see this written, and you'll even see these in these problems, is that you can also have this in this format as well, where you have parentheses around your radical, and then the exponent is actually on the outside of the parentheses. So let's go ahead and look at this first set of examples. So here we want to rewrite each in rational exponent form, when right now they're in radical form. So for this first one, I have the fourth root of x to the seventh. And I want to change that to my exponent form. So it's going to be a fraction. You have 50-50 shot on which one's going to be on the top. But remember, the one that's the exponent is going to be up on top. So that means the 7 is going to be on top, and then the 4 is going to be on the bottom. Looking at this next one, my base here is -8. And again, with negatives, we always want to be careful and put parentheses around it. And now this one's actually written in this format. So I have my parentheses around it and my exponents out in the very out by the parentheses. But again, my exponent is going to be the one that is on top. So my exponent here is 2, so that's going to be up on top. The index is up on the down on the bottom. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and try and do this last one. So for that last one, you should have gotten 4 to the 3/5. So the 3 was my exponent, so it's going to be on top. The 5 was my index, so it's going to be on the bottom. Okay, that's it for this video. You can go ahead and move on to that last one.